Let's talk about intersectionality. Meet Katherine Johnson, a corporate girly, a woman of color, and simply a woman. She wasn't just dealing with one kind of discrimination. She was working in a space dominated by white men. Being black and a woman
There is
meant
no
double the
bathroom.
barriers.
There are no colored bathrooms in this building or any building outside the West Campus, which is half a mile away. Skirt below my knees, my heels, and a simple string of pearls. Well, I don't own pearls. Lord knows you don't pay colored enough to afford pearls. And I work like a dog day and night, living off of coffee from a pot none of you want to touch.
Before we end up enjoying this movie, that's what intersectionality is all about: how multiple identities overlap and create unique experiences of oppression. You can't separate her struggles as a woman from her struggles as a black person. It's all connected. So, what can we do? Support inclusive spaces, mentor young girls in STEM, challenge bias when we see it at school, at work, and online.
We have a warning light. He could burn up on reentry.
It will work. It will hold it until he
Katherine
reaches the go,
Johnson
no go
didn't just
point. It
calculate
will work.
rocket trajectories. She proved that brilliance exists where you least expect it.
Loud and clear, Capcom.
Roger that.
Intersectionality isn't just a
Roger
buzzword,
that, Capcom.
it's the key to real change.